Yes, sir. Already throwing down on the grills. Shit, son. Come on. Oh, she just ate shit off the golf cart.
You got that?
I think I got that.
I think you did.
Oh, God. And the next day, the motherfucker was dead.
Right.
Jesus Christ. Wiki wiki. God, these motherfuckers are dead. Wiki wiki. Man, it's so beautiful out here today. So dry. Clean this truck for nothing. It's fucking wonderful. But you know what? We're fucking showbound. Let's get it. Boy, the window's tinted. The windshield's tinted. You can't see it out.
He real cool. Hey, Papa, what do I do?
He said, "My name is Cowboy Troy." Come on. All right, so the show starts at 8:37, and we got here. It's 8:37. The show starts at like noon. The gates open or something like that. So we kind of got a head start, and we're already here. So we're in the front row. As soon as you pull in, we're literally first row. So that's what we was kind of shooting for. We didn't want us waiting in the long ass line like people were telling us it is. But we got all of our goods. Let's see. Got all the show and shine registration stuff. That's just a receipt. Over here, man, I think we're truck number 304. So I mean, there should be a lot of people from YouTube, all that stuff in general. So we're looking forward to it, man. It's gonna be a good time. If y'all out here, whatever, because we're gonna post this video tonight, and that way I'll make another video tomorrow. So it kind of be like a day 1, day 2 thing. So if y'all come out tomorrow, whatever, say what's up. You know, we'll kick the shit and then have a good time. Y'all talking about y'all get sketchy on running some spacers. What about these motherfuckers? Oh my God.
Those are fucking farm customs, son.
Oh my God.
Scrap metal customs.
That's cool. Definitely different, but these thing's cool. Hell yeah. Damn.
Yeah. Those same wheels.
We just keep getting closer and closer to my alley, dude. All white. I'm telling you.
Lord.
All white. Even the frame overlays and everything. This thing is banging. You can't really pick it up on the camera, but it's like a teal. It's like this color's.
Still better? What did you guys say?
Nah. I'm broke. I'll tell you one thing about these shows. It makes you feel like you're broke.
We're gonna have to do to yours.
Oh my God.
That's crazy how much that's good.
That's all I'm doing.
Carson, that's what we could have done.
That's a Robert special right there.
Oh, come on.
Kiko. Shot on the beat.
crazy, man, to see like what you guys watch online of people's trucks and stuff like that. Then when you see it in person, you're like, damn. I'm glad you switched back to the stock bumper in the front. It looks so much better, but just the attention to detail, dude, is insane. It's absolutely insane, especially with like these Dolph trucks and stuff like that over here. Like this one, the pink Dolly here. Any of the JTX trucks, man, they're absolutely insane. Like, the attention to detail just goes without notice, bro. It's absolutely killer. I mean, all the trucks, whether the tow pig, I mean, the single cab, this unit here, and even the race truck. Like the color they sprayed this truck looks absolutely gorgeous. Easily like my favorite kind of blue, hands down. It's pretty damn solid. It's crazy. Absolutely crazy. And the white gooseneck to match. I mean, motivational as hell. I guarantee it. We're gonna step in the bar up this time. Let's do it.
Purchase your tracks today. Purchase your tracks
Alright guys, so pretty much this was kind of day one of the BF Truck Fest. And honestly, dude, it's so crazy because all this stuff out here is like so damn cool. It straight up motivates a lot of people, and me too, because I have so many ideas now that you know, I don't really let people get to me, but I had one person comment on a TikTok, right? And he said, you know, the typical copy and paste F-150 blah 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 blah, whatever, you know, you are, I don't care. But anyways, dude, I have so many ideas, so many things to change, so many things that's just gonna stand out with what I have planned. It's just one of them things, man, where, you know, it takes time, just like, you know, it took time to build some of these trucks. You know, some people have, you know, deep pockets and it shows, and some people don't. You know, it's a time thing. But you know what? At the end of the day, man, we're all out here, we're all having a good ass time. Despite the rain and all that stuff, the little moisture we got in, it was still a damn good time, and we still have tomorrow. So, just know I have plans coming in for the next videos that's gonna change this whole truck and change just the simple fact of gas trucks in general, I guess you would say. Well, my truck in general is what I'm trying to say. So I'm talking maybe, you know, a whole different lift, different powder, bigger wheels, blah blah blah. I have ideas, like I said, they're not set in stone, but I'm I'm gonna work my ass off. I'm gonna sit back in the shadows, work my ass off, grind, and then I'm gonna pop out with some badass shit. Because man, coming here to shows like this and seeing these big badass trucks and stuff like that, like I ain't gonna build no SEMA truck or whatever, but it's gonna be something that's gonna stick out compared to, you know, some people, which, you know, not towards others, but you know, everybody has a different taste, and I just like doing different shit. So I'm definitely gonna make sure I do some shit next time I go to a show that's gonna be, you know, as cool and as big as this, because I don't have the time that much with work and all that type of stuff. So long story short, man, a lot of things come in the future. We have tomorrow, we still have tonight, so I'm probably gonna do a separate video of how things are tonight, because it's gonna be, I would imagine it's gonna be you know, this all over again, maybe even wilder, I don't know. But big things are gonna come, man. I'm excited with the lighting company, with this truck in general, with just plans I have in my mind, the milestones that I want to get, and the goals I've set, and the goals that I want to achieve. It's going to be crazy. So if you like what you see, man, hit the subscribe button. I can guarantee you guys that the content that's coming in the future is going to be absolutely amazing, and it's going to change my life. Like, not just from you know, like a following spree from people, because I don't really need that, man. I enjoy doing it because I enjoy watching and sitting back and document and seeing how I document things where before, blah, blah, blah. You get the gist. But anyways, that's pretty much it for this video. I'll catch you guys in the next one. I'll see you.